Did your Malaysia Airlines flight get delayed or cancelled, or did you miss a connecting flight? Don't worry, you might be entitled to compensation. In this video, I'll show you how to claim it easily through Compensair, a trusted platform used by travelers worldwide. Compensair handles everything on your behalf, so you don't have to deal with Malaysia Airlines directly. To get started, head over to Compensair. While you could search for it online, it's safer to use the secure link in the video description to avoid phishing websites. Once you're on the site, begin by entering your Malaysia Airlines flight details, departure and arrival airports, flight number, and travel date. You'll find this information in your booking confirmation or boarding pass. Then, enter your personal details such as your name and email address. Rest assured, Compensair keeps your data secure throughout the process. After inputting the required information, review your details to ensure everything is correct, and then click Submit. Compensair will take care of the rest, handling all interactions with Malaysia Airlines to secure your compensation. Once your claim is processed and approved, you'll receive an email notification, and the compensation will be transferred to your chosen payment method. It's that simple. With Compensair, claiming compensation for delayed or cancelled Malaysia Airlines flights is quick, easy, and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.